In this video, I will show you how to upload videos from YouTube library for more views. So let's get started by clicking on the plus icon in the top right corner. After that, select the video you want to upload. Then select the thumbnail for the video. Then you have to write title. Make sure to keep the highlighted words in capital. After that, you need to write tags. So let's copy the title and go to repeat tags and paste it here for related tags. After that we need description. So let's go to ChatGPT and write description and hashtags for our video. Once you are done, upload it and then edit the video to add tags in the video. After that you can upload it publicly. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.